Hello, welcome to this lesson of Mastering Java, and here we are in lesson number 25. We're going to learn about logical operators, and this is basically going to let you create more complicated if statements. It's very useful and actually really easy to understand. Let me go over what they are up here at the top, and then we'll just go through some examples here, and then you can work the exercise yourself and get a little practice. When you see a double ampersand, that's an operator that means logical and. The double vertical bars, which is near the backslash key on most keyboards, is a logical OR. And the difference between these are very easy. If I'm evaluating an if statement, maybe I want to evaluate something that's more complicated. Then I have two things going on. If I want the if statement to trigger, A and B must both be true. Normally in if statements, we're testing one thing at a time this far, but we may actually want to test two things, and both of them have to be true in order for the logical AND to trigger true, or to return true. For the OR, logical OR, it means either one of them can be true, A or B. That's what logical OR means. It's just like it means in the English language, one or the other. That's what it means. And if either one of these things are true, then the if would then trigger as true. Then we have something called logical NOT. This has a weird thing I've typed here. It means you're inverting the state. In other words, when you NOT something, you're changing it from true to false or from false to true. So we've been using it up to this point in terms of not equals, for instance. We can ask if x is not equal to 3, and that's kind of what's going on there in terms of the NOT. And then finally, we have this caret symbol, and that's a logical XOR. It means A or B, but not both. So in other words, it's A or B, but in this case, for the regular OR, A could be true or B could be true. If both A and B are true, then of course it logically satisfies a